Hi everyone. For connecting SQL Server authentication, we require username and password. For search purpose, first of all, we should have to connect a SSMS with the Windows authentication. Here, I have already connected. You can see it's a database, and I'm opening new query. Here, you can go to properties, right click and properties. Okay, and here connections, sorry, security default for you. If you are connecting first time, you can see this one only, Windows authentication mode. So um, please uncheck this Windows authentication and select this SQL Server and Windows authentication. This will applicable for both. Okay, simply click on OK. If required, you can restart SSMS also. After that, go to security, and here you can see different types of logins here. If you want to create separate login, just right click and a new login. So here you can select the SQL Server Authentication. Here login, which user you want to connect. Simply I have already user, this is my user. If you want to give specific user, you can give some specific user. Kumar I am giving, and password I am giving Kumar, and confirm password. Okay, and here simply you can before that server roles. So here you want to give public or sysadmin, you can select, it's up to you. And also user mapping. So here which database I want to grant permission for specific user I'm creating. So if you want to grant permission for all the database or specific database, you can select. So based on that, you can grant access. Simply if you click on OK, Kumar user has created. Okay. After that, how you can connect using SQL Server authentication. Simply come to here, connect database, and here select, sorry, this is the same SQL Server authentication. Here user and password I have already given, because you can see I have given. So if you want to connect with the Kumar user, simply you can give your login and your password, and you can click on connect. So it's already connected. Right click and your query. You can see here the difference, how you can differentiate it's a Windows authentication or SQL Server authentication. You can see here. Yeah, this is Windows authentication and this is SQL Server authentication. Yeah, that's all guys. Thank you. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you very much.